Hello everyone. So today I received my 3 book combo of NEET in 45 Days by Physics Wala or Alak Pandey sir, and I'll be giving an honest review of what I feel after going through a few pages of these books. I won't really go into the details of how many pages are there, what is the book quality and all, because it's irrelevant. I will start with electromagnetic induction because that's the first chapter I went through, and my review is, if your basics are clear, like if you have studied well enough in class 12, this book will be beneficial to you because it serves as a great book for revising everything in the last minute or the last few days of your NEET. It sums up the concepts, sums up the formulae, and however, one small formula is missing here, which is anyway like you can use a common sense to understand that, like mi is equal to n phi. However, it's given here n phi is equal to li, so we need not take into consideration about that. If we go through the questions, level 1 and level 2, I have solved 8 of them, and I find the questions pretty good. They are good for unlocking your jammed brain. It gives us a really good idea about how the NEET paper is going to be, because I can tell these are the type of questions which you would get in NEET, because I've went through the papers, past year papers many times. For example, question number 12, how much current is drawn by the primary coil of a transformer which steps down 220 volt to 22 volt to operate a device with an impedance of 220 ohm? Now, if a student has not studied properly, or if his brain is jammed because of stress and all, you wouldn't really recognize, or it won't click in your brain that impedance is in the load, the output of the transformer, and hence we can find the like secondary current by using our very familiar Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, and then we can use our formula of transformer, and then we can solve this question. And then we have the NEET 5 years questions. It gives us all the type of questions asked in NEET in 5 years, and you get a pretty good idea of what type of questions are going to be asked. Do not overdo, because it will mess up your preparation real bad, and it's my experience of 2 years grinding my brain for this competition exam. Now for the chemistry. When I talk about the chemistry, I am going through the chapter coordination compounds. And if I see, the first topic I read over here was rules for naming coordination compounds, and it had really faded out from my brain, because I had learned this chapter months back, and this topic helped me recall it very nicely. What I would have appreciated if the naming procedure, like how would you name the cyanide ion, how would you name all the ligands and all, if it had been given, it would have been better. But you can't expect everything in a single book, right? One more thing, however, this book is good for your final revision. One thing, like the exception of ammonia, when oxidation state of +3 and +2 is given, how it acts as a strong field ligand and weak field ligand, if it had been given, it would have been better. However, the questions given here are of NEET level, unlike some books of some institutions which actually give us questions of other exams and harder than that, and they really mess up with the students who are average like me or below average. And trust me, and even an average student can do good. The explanations are pretty well, and even if you go through these explanations, it sums up the chapter pretty well. The questions are good. However, you would need a lot of practice, because 50 to 100 questions in a chapter won't be enough for you for cracking NEET. And now coming to the biology part, I found this book to be really good. I'm pretty impressed. If I start with human health and diseases, The bacterial diseases, viral diseases, their causative agent, mode of transmission, symptoms, diagnostic test, causal organism, where people really tend to mess up, is given in a form of a tabular column, and it sums up the NCERT pretty well if you ask me. Trust me, I don't think so. I've went through past year papers and I don't think so anything else out of the NCERT is going to come for 340 marks at least. And this book is pretty good for revising whatever you have learned, because even the smallest points are given, because we often tend to mug up big books like Truman and all, but and we don't really go through the like important points which are indeed asked in exam. Like, no one will ask you 5-year medical course questions in the entrance exam. What I found, one more thing about this book is, even if some topics are not given, if you go through the questions and read the explanation part, you would be thorough with the chapter. Because, for example, let's go through the diagram of the antibody, and we see in the chapter the diagram of the antibody is not given anywhere. So if you solve this question, you will be pretty well cognizant about what is the diagram of the antibody, and you would be able to answer it properly. However, I believe that this book, the summary part of this book, it contains almost everything which might be asked in the exam. For example, let's take an example. In the NEET past 10-year questions, a question has come: malt constitutes about -% of the lymphoid tissue in human body. So if we don't know the answer and we go through somewhere in the book, we might we will see that in the topic immune system in the body, mucosal associated lymphoid tissue, it constitutes about 50% of the lymphoid tissue in the body. So if you go through the questions, go through the chapter and solve some extra question from other books, no one can stop you. So finally, summing up, this book is good if you are pretty well versed with the syllabus, well done with the topics, you are confident, and if you want a final revision for NEET in the last 45 days, this book is a must to have. And we all know Alak sir, he won't break our heart or something like that. So if you I've seen on the internet people have been unboxing these packages and not really giving the review which every student actually wants. They want the answer about how this book is, and I received it today, and this is my first impression about the book. For 800 rupees it is pretty good. However, 800 rupees में we get other publication के book भी आते हैं, लेकिन this book is really good. I trust Alak sir personally, and I hope you like this video. If you think this book review was nice, because on the internet I didn't find anyone giving a book review, they were just unboxing, and I felt the need that I would put up this video. Thank you.